Hey guys, what's up? Me and Babe are doing a mukbang here at the park. We are eating MGM. Babe, show your chili fries. Look at these chili cheese fries that Babe got.
Chili cheese fries and this enormous sandwich.
Look at this enormous burger. And then he's got these big old huge, yummy, chili fries. And he's gonna share with Baby right now. And then I got a pastrami sandwich. Yum. Okay. Oh, forgot one thing. Thank you, Jesus, for the food. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Amen. Okay. We're starving. Forgive us for...
No, we did pray, babe.
Yeah, we prayed before we started the mukbang, but I wanted to pray on camera.
Oh, okay.
Because we got to pray with our fellow viewers. This park is beautiful. If I have enough time after I'm done eating, I'll show you. That was so good. Babe just got out of work. We thought we'd go get some dinner, come relax and sit at the park and eat. And then, wow. I hope you guys all heard that. Babe, what are you talking about farting in my mukbang?
Wow. Are you going to tell them what we're going to do?
Yeah, we're on our way to go look for a new place to live. Battery's dying, but it's okay. We're on our way to go look at some places to move. We want to move out. We're going to go to this place. It's around the corner, and we're going to see about getting our own place. So, that's what we're doing.
Nope.
But we wanted to grab some grub first. Look at this. Look at that meat. So delicious.
Especially.
I'm starving. Finish his language. You probably heard all his other language in all our other videos, but
yeah, they have. They got 118 languages.
Look at that.
I'm still on my chili fries. I haven't opened up my burger yet.
This looks gross, but it's so good.
Now I'm about to open up the King burger right here. Look at that. Look at that.
Show them that burger, babe.
Look at that real quick.
Oh my god. Don't put it on the thing. That smells so bomb though. Look at all these flies. Get out of here.
I just want to give you an example.
That is disgusting. Why are these flies right here?
I'm used to eating with those guys. I eat with them at work every day. I'm gonna continue eating. It's so bomb. If this cuts off, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, because I'm just gonna eat and let it roll. And I'm getting food all over me. And I'm gonna jack one of Babe's chili fries. No, I'm not.
Yes, I am.
I'm eating my cheese.
You're so mean to me. I'm trying to get a fry. That'll work. Those are so good. Next time, I'll get me some of those. But you eat with them at work every day, huh?
I do. But for once, can I get a break from them?
This park is so pretty. But we hardly ever come here and eat dinner. I'm gonna eat the other part of that sandwich. Look at that. Get out of here, fly. This ain't for you. That's not for you. It's for me. And babe, if you want some.